everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I want to share my experience using the fresh Aloe, and I will be using it for a week to see the result. I see some YouTubers did this experiment and the result of their skin has improved, so I want to test it out if this method works on my skin as well. I don't have foundation right now. My skin is pretty clear from the distance, but when it gets closer without foundation, I have small pores on the cheeks like this much. See the pore without foundation, it has a little bit, right? My skin is very clear even without foundation on this part of my face. Look, the skin here is perfect. It has no pores. The skin is bright. And the worst part is my forehead. The pore is pretty big. As I said before, I have serious acne when I was a teenager. On my forehead, the pore is very big. You can't see from the distance, only for the close-up. You can clearly see the big pores, right? So after I put foundation, there's no pores on this side, but still has pores on my forehead. And you can see that the T-zone is darker than my cheeks. So from today, I will apply Aloe and see if my skin gets improvement. Those are my Aloe. I already cut those. Wow, look, it's very sticky. You can also use it as a mask, like apply it here, massage. I hope it will have improvement on my pores. And you just do this once a day. It's very hard to wash it off, so you have to wipe it. Well, after I wash it, I feel it's very fresh. I haven't applied the toner and moisturizer yet. It feels very soft and it doesn't feel dry. It feels soft and smooth, but I can still see my pores. I didn't get allergic at all and my skin doesn't turn red. I'm surprised. Sometimes my skin gets red after using face mask. So when you apply Aloe, avoid Aloe juice on your eyelids because it's very uncomfortable with the Aloe juice on my eyelids. I can still see my pores, but no redness. I'm quite surprised. My skin has red dots, but no. Wow, it's not red and it doesn't have red dots. This is my first time using it and I already see the result. So I will keep using it for a week and I hope my pores will get smaller, especially this part. I also feels like my skin tone even out a little bit. If you're allergic to this, then don't use it. My skin get allergic sometimes, but I didn't get allergic to Aloe. It's definitely a good idea to massage your face. I will continue to use it for 7 days. Hi everyone, welcome back. So today is the 7th day of me using Aloe. After this time, I will share you a close-up of the result. I'm actually surprised that the Aloe is still fresh, and then I'll go wash it off. So let's do a close-up of my skin. It does make my skin a lot smoother than before. I don't know about the pore. Did this help a little bit? I can't really see the result. And this is my forehead situation and looks like I got a pimple. I don't think this is because of Aloe. I think this is because of the food I ate. So that's not Aloe's fault. Besides the one pimple, my forehead got a little bit better than before, right? You can clearly see the big pores, right? So after the 7 days using Aloe, my skin does feel a lot smoother without any powder or any toner or moisturizer. It smooths the skin itself. My skin tone got evened out a little bit. It's not like super dark in the center. It got better. I don't think there are big improvement of my pores. I think I will use a special skincare product to specifically deal with this problem. I already received this special skincare product just for the pores, and I will do a review of the set as well to see a better improvement on my pores. So if you are not allergic to aloe, I highly recommend to use aloe, fresh aloe, massage your face for a week and see the result, and I think you will be surprised. Also, after you wash your face with aloe, you can feel your skin is clean and fresh and it's not tight. Really like the result. I need to work hard to minimize those pores. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you will try it out. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.